Okay friends, today I'm going to show you how to make flying bird with a single piece of paper. So you can see. Let's start the work. First of all, take one rectangle shaped paper, A4 size. So let's start fold from the left side. Make the paper square. Cut these portions. So let's start the work. So after we make the paper square, we have to hold the paper as a triangle shape, mountain shape and pyramid shape. So let's start with this step number 1. Okay. So after make the triangle shape, step number 1. So how much you can fold this paper? You can see the 2 fingers, 1 inch. So let's fold the paper this way. Step number 1. Step number 2, this one of this triangle paper, lift up this paper halfway, do this the way. Okay. Step number 3, so we have fold from the right side. It's here. Step number 3. Step number 3 and step number 4. So this is the head. Let's push. Okay. Step number 4. So this is the wings. Step number 4 from the other side. Okay, it's very simple. Now you have to make this paper a little bit. Take the shape so you can see these portions. Like for also I'll show you this green bird. Especially you don't have to cut, just make this as a like the tail. You have to push inside a little bit. Okay, so as if bird is flapping, like with the wings. So let's start from this side. So what you have to do, you take these portions, another side also we do the same thing. One side you do, other side also same. We have to do same way. Okay, so this is the way you can do that. Very simple and nice how you make the flying bird. Okay, this is the way how you do that bird. You don't have to cut, just you fold the paper side. Very simple. So you can make many of the flying bird. How to do that? Okay, this is the backside tail, and you can see these wings, and this is the head and the beak. Okay, flying bird.